Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today my special topic is I am going to render Giriraj Sutta Tanaya song. This is a Karnataka classical song which is set to Raga Bangala, and this is Janya Raga from 29th Medakarta, that is Dhira Shankara Brahman. Okay. So as usual, I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen for those who don't know the lyrics, and for lakhs and lakhs of people who already know, it's well and good. So that is it. Those interested, please take snapshot, mug up, and start singing this wonderful song often and enjoy the elation and devotion and whatnot. Fantastic melody, etc. That is it. So here I go. Giriraja Sutatanaya, composition of Sri Tyagaraja, set to Raga Bangala. This is the Janya Raga of 29th Medakarta, that is Dhira Shankara Bharanam. So here I go. Giriraja Sutta Tanaya Sadaya, Giriraja Sutta Tanaya Sadaya, Giriraja Sutta Tanaya Sadaya, Suranatha Mukharchita Padayuga, Suranatha Mukharchita Padayuga, Paripalaya Mam Ibharaja Mukha, Paripalaya Mam Ibharaja Mukha, Giriraja Sutta Tanaya Sadaya. Gananatha Paratpara Shankara, Gananatha Paratpara Shankara, Agamavari Nidhira Janikara, Gananatha Paratpara Shankara, Agamavari Nidhira Janikara, Phaniraja Kankana Vigna Nivarana, Phaniraja Kankana Vigna Nivarana, Shambhava Shri Tyagarajanutha, Shambhava Shri Tyagarajanutha, Giriraja Sutta Tanaya Sadaya, Giriraja Sutta Tanaya Sadaya, Suranatha Mukharchita Padayuga, Paripalaya Mam Ibharaja Mukha, Paripalaya Mam Ibharaja Mukha. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So this is how it was. 29th Dhira Shankara Bharanam, Janya Raga Bangala. So I don't know the Swara Prastaras, anyway I enjoyed singing very well. So share my videos and let others also enjoy. That is it. So in the upcoming video, we'll take up verbatim meanings of several songs, Carnatic classical music songs, and also render other songs I'm going to render, and then other shlokas, mantras, etc. We'll take up one by one in my upcoming videos. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Tipi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Chennai, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost. Please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.